I have designed this course for you, a busy lash stylist who wants to level up in just a weekend, get the most out of the products that you are using, and also have a stress-free lashing career. There's almost too much information out there. A lot of it, unfortunately, is incorrect. So ideally we want that little bead right at the very base. So once the adhesive touches the natural lash, it will start to rapidly polymerize. So that there is the perfect amount to use. So dip, 1, 2, quickly move out, hold, 1, 2, 3, release. So just remember, temperature, humidity, and the pH level of your clients do play an important factor in lash retention and how fast or how slow the adhesive begins to polymerize. Now it's your turn, so let's get started with this course.